We're gonna sing happy birthday to Milo, okay? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Milo. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Blow it out. One more. I see one more. Yay! Everybody blow your horns. Okay. Milo, how do you feel?
Good.
You feel good? How old are you today?
4.
You're 4?
Yep. And I'm 3.
And you're 3? Oh, I can't get a very good light here. And what's your name?
Daddy.
Jesse. And who are you?
Taiwan.
Tylin. And what's your name over there?
Molly.
Mally? Mallory. Milo, how are you feeling on your birthday?
Good.
Do you love birthdays? Where do you get to go tonight?
School.
School, yeah.
I want the cup.
Okay, girls. Everybody look at me and say bye.